Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 5, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. And as the name suggests, this mode is designed to I would say prolong the battery life on your watch. So it will disable some of the functions of the watch to make your battery watch last longer period of time. And it could be useful in some stressful situations. Maybe your battery is low and you want the watch to survive. You can enable the mode and hopefully it will be enough to stretch the battery life until you charge your watch. Okay, and of course I'm going to show you how to turn it on and off. So let's get started. And to enable the mode, it's quite simple. You wake up the screen, then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you will see a bunch of icons, and one of them will be the battery icon. And once you find the battery icon, you can tap on it, then scroll down, tap on the check mark to confirm. And the battery saving mode will be enabled. You can tell by the message and the icon changing the shape and the color, it will be highlighted. And now, if you go back to watch face, you will also see this icon at the top, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. So now some of the functions of the watch will be disabled. Also, some of the functions will be changed. So, for example, screen will turn off quite quicker. It will be less bright and stuff like that. Everything that won't completely make your watch unusable, but it will increase the battery life. So it will change the brightness, turn off the always on display and stuff like that. And once you're done and you want to disable the mode, you can simply wake up the screen, open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, and the mode will be disabled. And then you can go back to using your watch normally. You can also press and hold on this icon to open the battery saver settings. And here you can enable and disable the mode, but you can also enable and disable some additional options like turn on at 50%. If this option is enabled, it will turn on the power saving mode for you automatically when the battery reaches 15 or lower. So if it reaches 15% and lower, my bad, it will basically turn on the power saving mode automatically. And then turn off when charged. If this option is enabled and you put your watch on a charger, charge it for a bit, it will turn off the power saving mode automatically for you. If you don't like these options, you can always turn them off. Okay, and that's about all. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.